Let's learn how you can recover deleted data from restored iPhone. So, if you didn't make backup for your old iPhone, your data couldn't be restored. But if you did make backup, then you want to go to settings, open your iCloud, click iCloud again, and then click on your manage storage. Now here you want to find backups option, and it will transfer you to page where you can find all device backups. So I have this one only. I didn't even backup this iPhone. What you want to do is to click on the latest backup here. You can make countless, and here will appear option to recover. Of course, as you can see here, I didn't do backup, so I can't recover it, but if you did, in your case, there will be a button available. So that's it. Thanks for watching.